sa mga filmmakers na sumali. For us actors, meron kaming room for competition. Alam yan, na mas nagdagan ng bagong player na like, diba, sa Fest, mga Sinimalaya, mas maraming festival, mas better for everyone, lalo na sa mga actors.
JC, after doing Sandwich, are you still open to doing more indie films?
Bakit naman hindi? Natikman yung award ko sa indie. So, syempre looking forward ako for more.
So, kasi Jessie mentioned the rawness of the acting here in this particular film are very masyadong evident siya. So, ano pang nilulook forward mo in your future indie projects na gusto mong gawin? Ano pang challenging mo? How far can you go?
Hindi ko alam kung hanggang saan ko kayang dalhin yung sarili ko. But as of now, excited ako to do indie films, lalo na if it's challenging, if it's something really new for me, and if it's something out of my box. So, hindi na siya kailangan pag-usapan pa kung tatanggapin ko siya o hindi. Basta as long as it's out of my comfort zone. Kasi matagal na rin ako gumagawa ng mga show. And nasa mainstream din siya. So, yun din tayo na parang mainstream acting. Pang-TV. So, pag sa hindi, pwede kami mag-create talaga ng sarili nating character. The way we wanted to be portrayed. Kung ano man yung nasa isip namin, we can express it all out.
In relation lang sa Pamilya, in terms of career achievements, awards, meron ka pa ba nilulook forward to specific recognition?
Wala naman. Very, very grateful na ako sa ano yung binibigay sa amin ng ABS-CBN. Kung ano yung attention na nakukuha ko right now. Very, very happy na ako doon. Bonus na lang siguro if mabigyan pa ako ng opportunity na magkaroon ng several awards. Siyempre, I won't stop naman siguro sa isa lang. Sana may lumagkat pa.
Upcoming mainstream project,
Meron akong entry for Sinimalaya in guest party and Bisay, which is also Cinema One. So, dalawa. So, yun yung gagawin ko muna sa ngayon, mag-promote ng dalawang indie. And yun nga, meron naman akong ongoing show. Tapos meron naman akong Banana Sunday. And there's another movie from Star Cinema na sisimulan next month. So, buhay pa ako.
Curiously, JC, how do you differentiate working with mainstream directors and independent filmmakers?
What I really like about independent film directors, wala silang limits. Alam mo yan, they can really express themselves through the film. Not like pag nasa TV ka. Siyempre, both creative naman yan, yung mga yan. Pag sa TV lang kasi, mas marami kang kailangan
I-consider.
And i-consider, there are so many limitations, of course. Kasi meron tayong NTRCB or, diba? Which we all respect. That's why reason also bakit ako gusto mag-indie is because mas nakakapag-explore din ako and I can also express myself. Gusto ko bang i-try yung pagiging crafty or artsy ka, di ba? You can express it through doing an indie film.